Hey, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter at Amy Harber, Instagram at Amy D. Harber, and YouTube.com/AmerCat, which is where you're probably watching this. So this is another throwback box because I'm going back through all my old boxes, and this is the August Allure beauty box. The theme is summer shortcuts. It's all about lazy beauty during those dog days of summer, which was August. And, you know, when you had too much sun and you just want to go to sleep, well, these are things to add shortcuts to your beauty routine. So let's get into the products. So, hey, it is the August Allure beauty box. Now, I don't know if it was the July Allure box or the June, but I finally realized that there were little sayings inside the tops of the boxes. And this month it says Mani Pedi Vichy. Now, I don't speak Italian, but I do know what Mani means. I do know what Pedi means. And I know that I need these ratchet nails fixed, that I busted 2 of them. But hey, that's what hard work does. So Mani Pedi Vichy, that's what I'll be doing tomorrow. Now, anyway, the theme, and this is what I like about Allure boxes. They have breakdown of all the products. There's usually a promo code, but hey, since it took me 7 months to review this, all the promo codes are probably expired by now, along with this coupon from Rue La La for like up to 70% off. So that can go over there. So anyway, it's summer shortcuts. It's all about lazy beauty, facial wipes, stuff like that, minimal work. So, and the first thing is those facial wipes. It's Skinfix Clean Skin Inside. So it's facial cleansing cloths. Open this up. We got like 3 of these little bad boys. These are great for when you travel or like to throw in your gym bag. Say you have an appointment before you have to go to the gym. You have to take off your makeup at the gym. That's what these are great for. I love facial wipes. They're individually wrapped. They have a cucumber smell to them. They will take off all your makeup, I promise. Then we have the OUAI. I have no idea. If you watch this video and you know how to pronounce this brand, I've even tried Googling it. I have no idea how to pronounce this. I don't know if it's like Hawaiian or whatever. So anyway, this is the product line of Jen Atkin, who does Chrissy Teigen's hair, the Hadids, the Kardashians. Anyway, it's a finishing cream. It's a lightweight lotion you can put in your hair. You can put it for a blowout. You can air dry it. It's supposed to give you messy, tousled perfection, which is great for me because I love to air dry my hair. Okay. This one is Caudalie. I think it's French. It's an instant detox mask, and it has pink clay. I do love clay mask. I love charcoal mask. So it's supposed to leave your skin tight. It also has like lavender to hydrate. Yeah. Let's see. Sometimes they have a little seal on them. Yeah, this has a little seal on it, so I can't smell it, but I do, like when I opened it, I did smell the lavender, so hey, it's probably refreshing. Then there's another mask. Now, this is Hey Honey, I Peel Good Biomimetic Honey Peel Cream. So, usually I'm a little skeptic of peel creams because I had this one and it literally, like, when it went to peel off, it was like boogers on your face. It was the worst thing ever. It was one of the first beauty boxes I ever got, and the next time it showed up in like another beauty box, I gave it away because it was so bad. It was like boogers on it. I'm not kidding, it was like boogers on my face. So this is supposedly a cream that you massage and it melts into a luxurious oil that leaves your skin feeling silky and plump. So it's got a cocktail of pineapple juice extract, propolis, which is an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, and loads of oil. So You're supposed to massage it continuously for 2 to 3 minutes or until the texture is oily and smooth, and then you rinse with water and pat dry. So that's interesting. It's not like one of those little drying face masks. So that is interesting. Then we have the Vichy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. I've had this a couple times. It's like a serum. I got it in, I think, the Target 12 Days of Beauty, and then I think it was also in a Target Beauty box. But this stuff is great. It's like a little lightweight serum, and this will last you like a couple weeks. So I'm excited that this one reappeared. Then we have, because I don't have enough black eyeliner, Rodial Smoky Eye Pen in black. It goes on very easy. It's black. You know what black looks like at this point. Especially if you're my age, you're a child of the 80s, you probably had raccoon eyes. So, in fact, I might have raccoon eyes now because my eye makeup has smeared. So, it's been a long day. But they also said that you could smudge it. Oh, look at that. You can. It smudges easy. So, those are all the products in the Allure August Beauty Box. That's where you can find me. And I will catch you next time on Tomboy Beauty.